Okay, a little excitement. You see, I don't know if I ever told you people that right over there is the fire department, right? So, what is it? Monday. I'll tell you what I did in the morning in a minute, but the kid goes to college. Connor, he cuts the grass. You know, when he's on spring break or winter break. Anyway, he was cutting the grass. I don't think he finished, but he's a volunteer fireman, young kid. This is what I'm told. So he's not done with the grass, and he just put it away real fast, but neatly, and he fucking ran. Probably going to go fight the fire. You know, you're a volunteer fireman, you gotta go. I don't know if he heard it or he's got a special pager on him or something, but all right. Anyway, I was thinking something before about Scotty Tuati, Daddy, how he's scamming the government out of free money, working off the books and collecting free unemployment money. He's home today, right? His girlfriend went to work, so she's gonna come home and say, aren't you gonna prepare supper? Say, honey, I didn't know what you want. Well, come on, I'm working all fucking day. And you're home, at least you can make supper. He says, all right, we'll barbecue. She says, okay. We'll say, what do you want for supper? What do you want to barbecue? You want hot dogs or hamburgers? The fucking freezer's full of meat. He said, you want hot dogs or hamburgers? I'll make anything you want. The government's paying for it. What do you want? Oh, shit. I should say, what the fuck were you doing all day? You weren't cleaning the house or nothing? What were you doing all day? He says, I'm sitting out here. It's a beautiful day. I'm sitting out here smoking my $15 a pack cigarettes that the government's paying for. Hey, okay, on a lighter note, like that wasn't light, right? I came out this morning. I was fucking tossing and turning at night. Came out this morning to have my morning cigar. I see Ray came home sometime last night. I don't know what time. It's fucking Mike next door. I saw Mike. I said, hey, look, Ray came home. Oh yeah, he came home yesterday about 5 o'clock. Really? My window's right fucking here. And I came out at 6:30 for my last cigar of the night. He wasn't here. Fucking Mike, either he's stupid or he fucking always lies, I don't know. But anyway, Ray's home and he's probably 3 sheets to the wind sleeping. But thank God he's back safe. Good. But fun times. This is a fucking fun house over here. So this morning, where did I go? I went to Dollar General, picked up a card. I ordered 2 boxes of El Rey del Mundo Cafe Noir. I guess it's a good time of season, summer. Like I said before, I'm getting all the notes you're supposed to get with these cigars. So I ordered 2 boxes, and a pair of green Dickies work pants. Green because I'm on a kick. I got a couple of blues, I got black, I got gray and green. I'm done with getting the work pants. Anyway, the gray and the green and the blue, but mostly gray and green. Besides me being an older man now, wearing old man pants. They're very comfortable. You may think I'm weird, but that's okay. I'm wearing these, and I wanted to get the gray. I got the gray, the green. And anyway, mostly the gray, green, and blue as a tribute to men that were close to me in my life many years ago. A tribute. First of all, my father, He was a tile layer. He worked for himself. And he used to wear green and gray for work. Sears work boots. But the green and the gray, I remember. I got pictures of them in storage. And I was, like 9 years old, 8 years old. But I remember I still remember, he used to wear gray and green for work. That's the only colors he wore. And the gentleman, when I worked in a plastic place, back when I was like probably 19 to 27 years old, Bob used to fix machines. He wore the gray and the green work pants. And Al, I don't remember his last name. He was in the fuck they call it, gold leafing. He would fix the machine, and he had Angie run the machine. He always used to wear blue. I think he wore green too. When he used to walk down the aisle, you see him walking down the aisle to go to the bathroom. As he's walking, I don't know why he did it. As he's walking, then he twitches his waist. He walks some more, he twitches his waist. Nice guy. But when he got mad, you don't want to be around him. Fucking mouth on him. I think he went at it with Bob Fisher too a few times. But he didn't quit. Needed the job. He was an older guy too. Geez, I was thinking the other day about how many people actually quit, not just me. How many people quit? How many people got fired? I guess it's the mentality, maybe, with owners and managers of factories. Well, the managers and the plant supervisors and stuff like that, they're under the managers. The managers give the final say of whatever. So they couldn't really help you or back you up, or if you want to raise whatever issue it is, they got to go to them. And it's a factory, so they don't care. You want to quit? Fucking quit. They'll get somebody else. Or they'll fucking fire you, or they get somebody else. See, I was from Long Island. There was tons and tons of factories. So they'll always get somebody to work there. He cut the grass.
Huh?
He cut the grass.
Huh?
He cut the grass.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if he did the whole job. Got money for fucking drinks. Fuck you, I don't have to talk to you either. It's starting to fucking be a pain in the ass. Yeah, 1 o'clock, he's probably done for the fucking day. I don't know, man. I don't fucking get it. Right? He starts his day like fucking 11 o'clock. Fucking 1 o'clock he's done. I need help paying the rent. Yeah. Fucking people are funny, man. He's got money for a case of fucking beer, Lay's potato chips, half gallon of fucking ice cream, gallon of fucking iced tea, go camping, go to fucking lawnmower fucking shows. Got money for all that. Don't have money to pay the rent. Oh. Anyway. Ray's probably sleeping because from South Carolina to fucking upstate New York, one You know what I mean? Non-stop, fucking 12-hour drive. You know he's fucking tired. All right. Yeah, that fucking pimple went away. Probably from me wiping my nose, I probably busted it open. Well, that's good. Okay. Must have been bigger than they thought. I don't know. It's volunteer fire department. Now it's volunteer. So how does that work? They go to fight a fire. If they fall off a roof or fall through a fucking floor or somebody get hurt, they gotta get surgeries. They're maimed for life. They die. It's volunteer. Are they covered? Is there any life insurance policy involved or medical benefits or they're fighting a fire in the building and a beam hits them in the mouth, knocks some teeth out. They got dental coverage. If it's volunteer, how does that work? I don't know how that works. They just fucking came out again. I was talking about how they do that with shave videos. I'm looking right at the camera, but my eyes are off the side. I don't know. Anyway, here's what I was saying. Tonight on the menu, I'm defrosting it now. I'm gonna have a barbecue up a chuck steak. I have some boiled potatoes left over in the refrigerator. I don't know if I had butter on them. Yes, I'll have them, and I'm gonna I'll boil the collard greens. I'll boil them, and I'll use garlic powder. I'll see how. Well, you boil spinach sometimes if you want, right? So I'll boil it, see how it goes. Fucking Mike, he's wearing a Bennett's motorcycle fucking shirt with cartoon motorcycles on it. He doesn't fucking drive. He doesn't have a motorcycle, doesn't have a motorcycle license. He doesn't drive a fucking car, but he... Upstate, man. Fucking Fly Creek. So back to Scotty. Toddy. You see him and his fucking ugly girlfriend. She's putting up with him and he's putting up with her. You know, you're golfing? He's fucking funny. One of these days he's gonna walk over here and lay into me that he hears me. And I'll have to tell him, am I fucking lying? What do you think, your girlfriend's good looking? Am I fucking lying? You with the spray paint, spraying the fucking... Am I lying? Scamming the fucking government. You had the best job at Bassett you could ever have in your fucking life. And you give it up. You're scamming the fucking government. Oh, I'm unemployed. Am I lying? Anywho, I don't know, I was talking about something. Yeah, Wilfredo, okay, kid I used to work with. He's living with his girlfriend. She's a good-looking girl compared to what he used to have. Jeez, you think Scott's girlfriend's ugly? Oh fuck. Wilfredo's other girlfriend, she was fucking hideous. brutal. You hear her voice? She's home. Yeah, hi, hon. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Anyway, back to Wilfredo. The kid had all to do to keep a roof over his own fucking head after the girl left him. I don't know. I think it was like his rent was like $700 and something dollars. You know, overlooking the golf course by the Osaga Hotel. He loved it there. He wanted to stay, but he couldn't afford it. He hooked up with this girl. I don't know where he met her, online. I don't know. I should find out. So he was staying here a couple of nights a week. He was staying in Little Falls. She was living there. Then they get a trailer. Next block over. And they're living there. Oh, maybe 2-3 years, I guess. He told me, she got mental problems. She used to call him up at work. She's all upset. He's got to fucking go home and be with her because she's mental problems. Finally, the supervisor told him, you fucking do it again, you're fired. Or I'm writing you up or something. He stopped. She had a kid from somebody. Now she had a kid from him. Mental problems. He had an old Ford Escape that he had all to do to keep it on the road. To get repairs or something happened, he had to borrow money to get it fixed. I don't see it anymore. I think he trashed it. They probably got one vehicle between them. Well, they were going to get married, but the pandemic, because you got to wear masks. Now here comes that fucking mic again. Oh. What are you talking to? Yeah, he probably missed a lot of spots back there. He probably missed a lot. Yeah, the fire, Mike, the siren, he put it away and he ran. He ran to the fire.
Huh?
The sirens went off. He put it away and he ran.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Well, that's why he didn't get them.
Yeah.
He's still parked the tractor there and
Yeah, that would make sense.
they go.
That would make sense. Fucking people upstate, you know. I mean, it's not like he's fighting in fucking Iraq, you know what I mean? No, Mike's right. He could have left the tractor out, go do what you gotta do, and fucking come back. He puts it away, hence he's probably not coming back. He'll hand out to Margaret, oh, give me my fucking $50, $75, and she'll fucking pay him. She knows people. Nobody's getting over on her. What the fuck was? Oh yeah, so he was gonna get married, but the pandemic, because they want people to come from, I guess, maybe his father from Puerto Rico. I doubt it. He doesn't like America. But you don't see nothing on Facebook that they got married. He better not invite me because I won't go. I'm against it. So anyway, what I'm saying is the poor fucking guy, he had all to do to keep a roof over his head, but he was doing it. He should have stayed on his own, build credit, save money, buy a nice car. No, he gets hooked up with this fucking broad, gets her pregnant. He gets involved because she's social service. She's on social service. He gets involved with them because he's living with her, had a kid with her. You should see him at work, like in the winter. He's like this, $800 to fill up the oil tank. He's going like that. Where's he going to come up with the fucking money? She don't work because she's fucking mental. She stays home, watches TV, and runs the fucking heat all day, and he's at work. You know? Working to make the fucking money so she could sit home and run the fucking heat. You don't think, huh, Wilfredo? He's already in fucking shit as it is. Because if they ever break up, child support. Believe me, I know what that's like. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. You either got to get a lawyer or know what you're doing to defend yourself. I've done both in the past. Man. They must have a good relationship. I think he's still with her. I don't know. But, I don't know. People are funny, man. People are funny, man. Yeah, I got enough Padrones for a while, so 2 boxes of El Rey's, that's 48, 48 cigars I got coming. The green pants, I gotta wash them a couple times, soften them up, and then I gotta get the fucking balls to wear them. They're green. Hey, I'm an old man now, right? I can get away with it. I wonder if they got a fucking Dickies baseball hat. They washed, right? Maybe I'll look into that next call. Oh, he's got the fucking lawnmower mic. Probably with the trailer. I don't know what he's doing. No. Alright. I'll see you guys later.